Hello everyone, welcome to Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to prepare a delicious dish of Ekpang Nkukwo, a popular delicacy of the South region of Nigeria. For this dish, you will require these ingredients, but please note that you can use vegetables and protein of your choice. Peel your cocoyam and wateryam and wash thoroughly to remove every sand particle. Then grate the cocoyam and wateryam. Mix both of them until you've gotten a homogeneous mixture. Pick the bigger ugu leaves for wrapping and set the smaller ones aside for later. Wash thoroughly to remove every sand particle. Wash your periwinkle and put into the pot. Add little salt to season the periwinkle, then you add your red oil. This will help your food not to burn or stick to the pot. Then you wrap your wateryam and your cocoyam with the ugu leaves. Put the pot on fire, add the dried prawns, then pour in some hot water to prevent the mixture from loosening up. Add the seasoning. Crayfish, chopped onions, blended fresh pepper, After cooking for about 10 minutes, stir to check if it's properly cooked. If it's properly cooked, use a knife to cut the wrapped and now cooked mixture to reduce their length. After that, add more hot water and mix. After mixing, add the chopped ugu and scent leaves. Mix and add some more red oil. Cover the pot and allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Dishing time, enjoy. Special thanks to Mrs. Mercy Sunday who helped to prepare this meal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching.